Hello, my name is Sergeant George Godoy, and today we're exploring the different types of federal law enforcement jobs. To secure a federal position, you must understand exactly where your target agency fits within the U.S. government. This is a baseline requirement and a frequent interview topic. Let's break it down. The U.S. government is divided into three branches: the executive, the judicial, and the legislative. Each branch has law enforcement agencies operating within it, and knowing where each agency belongs shows your interviewers that you've done your homework. Let's start with the executive branch, which the President oversees. This is by far the largest home for federal law enforcement. It contains two major departments relevant to us. The first is the Department of Justice, DOJ, which houses the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, ATF, the Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA, and the U.S. Marshals Service. The second is the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, which includes the U.S. Secret Service, Homeland Security Investigations, known as HSI, Customs and Border Protection Officers, and Border Patrol. Next is the Judicial Branch, home to the Supreme Court and the federal court system. This branch doesn't run law enforcement agencies. Its role is interpreting and applying the law, not enforcing it. Finally, the legislative branch, where the Senate and the House of Representatives operate. The primary law enforcement agency here is the U.S. Capitol Police, which has received significant national attention since the events of January 6, 2021. Once you know where your agency sits within the government, the next step is understanding what it actually does. When you visit your targeted agency's website, you'll find a lot of detailed information, more than you could ever memorize. But at a minimum, you should be able to clearly state the agency's core mission in your own words. Interviewers expect this. It signals genuine interest and preparation. Take the time to look this up for your specific agency and commit the mission statement to memory before your interview. Beyond the mission, you also want to be aware of the current challenges your agency is working to address. You can find this by browsing the agency's official website or simply searching recent news. Some of the major issues across federal law enforcement right now include counterintelligence threats, cybercrime, government corruption, illegal immigration and border security, international and domestic terrorism, and the ongoing fentanyl crisis driving drug enforcement priorities nationwide. Being able to speak about these issues and connecting them to why you want to serve can set you apart from other candidates in a meaningful way. Federal hiring is competitive, and the process is long, often 6 months to over a year. The candidates who succeed are the ones who prepare early and prepare thoroughly. My best advice for you is to start preparing right now. I have dedicated test prep courses for all major federal positions, whether you're targeting the FBI, DEA, ATF, HSI, Border Patrol, Customs, TSA, or beyond. Each course is built specifically for that agency's hiring process. You can explore the full lineup at policetest.info/federal. If you're not sure which agency is right for you, a great place to start is the Mastering the Federal Interview course, designed to work across all federal special agent and analyst positions. With over 1,000 five-star reviews, this is the highest-rated federal interview prep course on the market. It includes a video tutorial and an interactive mock interview covering the most common questions, complete with tips and example responses. Enjoy lifetime access on any device and personal support via email. Click on the link to get started. There are also links in the description and in the comments. If this video was helpful to you, subscribe to my channel to see similar content in the future.